Okay, so 2008 F150. It's that 4.2 V6 with that little pipe that breaks off right there. Well, I got it out. It boogered up the hole pretty good, but that doesn't matter because I'm not going to buy that tool or that pipe. I've got this 1/2 inch thread fitting. I'm going to put right there. It's going to fit perfect. I ain't got to worry about rusting out no more. I'm going to use this 1/2 inch by 14 tap. Right there. It's Century drills. Let's see. Get a sticker off here. Well, it's Century. Got my new Milwaukee wrench. And this is the hose I got from AutoZone. 87810. So I'm going to put the fitting there, and I'm going to put the hose on top, and then run this hose right there, perfect, and the bend looks like it's made for it. Alright, so sorry for the shitty camera work, it's hard to do this one hand. Alright, I'm going to tap that a little bit, be right back. Okay, so I got it started a little bit here. Sorry, the other hose is always in the way. Alright, so every now and then back it off a little bit to break the threads loose. Cut a little bit and then break it off. Cut a little bit and break it off. Turn it back a little bit. Turn it forward. Alright, so I use a big crescent wrench to make it easier. So I ran this thing down about halfway. Put my back and forth motion around a little bit and then back it up to break it loose. Makes it easier. I used to work in a machine shop. That's what they told me. Anyways, voila. You now have a good 1/2 inch of threads or more, probably 3/4 inch threads. Alright, there it is. So, then you take and rinse all these little shavings out of there, pour some fluid in there so that way it'll run out the front here and brush the shavings